SketchUp versus Rhino, which one's right for you? Let's break this down real quick. If you're just getting into 3D modeling, SketchUp is probably where you'll feel the most comfortable. It is super beginner friendly, really easy to learn, and honestly, you can start building stuff within minutes. It's great for architects, interior designers, or anyone who wants to get their ideas out fast. Plus, there's a massive library of free models, so half the work's already done for you. But SketchUp, it does have its limits. When you start needing more precision, complex curves, or detailed control, that's where Rhino comes in. Rhino is a beast. It's used by industrial engineers, designers, architects, and even people who designed jewelry or cars. It's all about accuracy, advanced modeling, and flexibility. The tools are powerful, and if you're into parametric design, plugins like Grasshopper take things to another level. The catch, it's not easy to learn, but once you get the hang of it, you can pretty much model anything. So, a quick recap would be use SketchUp for speed and simplicity, use Rhino for precision and power. It really depends on what you need and how deep you want to go.